Hi everyone, today as usual, we are in nature, but I think I'm gonna show you where I am. Okay, so this is a different park. It's so green, like for real. I was in this spot, but there's people who always like looking at me. So I kind of got so shy because people are like in this way walking, and they were always looking at me. So I'm like, never mind. So, oh, there's a bird. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's full of birds there. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, it's there. Like for real. It's so cute. I cannot see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's moving there. Like, ding. Okay. Ooh, that's so cute. So cute. It's so cute. Like, what's there? So cute. Okay. So yeah, it's so green. It feels so good. As usual, I like this place. Um, what we gonna talk about right now? Just I don't have. I mean, I have my tripod, but I am shy to put it because people will notice that I have this big thing that I have to put on. Uh, like they will see this big thing. So I didn't take it. I mean, I didn't like. How do you say that? I didn't take it off from my bag. Yeah, okay. But I wanted. Oh, there's another bird. So I wanted to talk about another topic. Oh, birds are they're around me, but you cannot see me. Oh, this is better. Oh, you can. Or maybe this. Yeah. So I think I think I'm gonna talk about it on the next time when I have peace, when I will be in my room again, when I am able to talk, because I kind of get distracted when I'm outside, especially when I see birds. And oh, there's another bird there. So yeah, but I want to share you a thought that I have right now. Right now, it's about. Maybe I'm gonna talk about it in another video, I guess. I am getting so distracted. Like, I get anxious when I see people. Maybe this is gonna just be a vlog, because I will be meeting with my friend today. So I said, okay, I'm gonna film something. But my sorry, my hair. I'm gonna film something. But I don't know what to do. Like, I'm in the middle of the trees. You can see that. Like, I'm in the middle of the park. I am getting so distracted. Never mind. So, wait. Okay. No one is looking at me. But I had so many thoughts right now. Even yesterday, even the other day. But I think I should just write it on. I did write it on my phone. It's just that my mind is blank right now because because I'm distracted, and I'm kind of nervous because there's people. I yeah. I don't know what to say. Um, it's like, what time is it? Like, ooh, 3:30 p.m. Ooh, I like the birds. There's a lot of birds there. Like for real, like there in this area. You cannot see it. Or maybe it's just flew away. He, should have put it like this. I hate it. I don't have a tripod. I don't have a tripod. Like, for real. And it's even dirty, the camera. Okay. It's windy. Okay, we're just gonna chill because my mind is blank. Yeah. Maybe I can just show you what I see. Like, you can see this is very pink. It's pink. I like it. This part too, it's pink. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay. Like, the good thing about spring is it's full of different colors. Like, and the birds are singing. They're like happy. But yeah, to be honest, I really have things on my mind, and I just don't remember them right now. I need to remember. I mean, I do remember, but right now I just can't. I don't know. I wanted to just share you something, but I don't know if I could say it properly in a good way. But I did write them on my phone. I don't know, maybe I'm just distracted because I'm outside. Oh yeah, okay, I think I remember. It's about I just saw a flower growing from a crack of a concrete, and that's awesome. Like, it really reminded me of something. Like, it reminded me of I think I'm gonna tell you on another video. It reminded me of a really very important things, and like we can learn something about it. It's already 8 minutes. I'm just wasting my time, and I'm wasting your time because of this video. I have my camera. I want to take a picture right now, but I'm not in a situation to. I'm very shy. I see people. I don't know, we're just chilling, I guess. Can you even hear me? Maybe yes. Like, I can't, like, I'm sorry, I'm just wasting your time. What if I take pictures? Oh, there's another bird there. Oh, that's so cute. No one is gonna watch this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. um what is this? A random messy vlog of nature? Kinda. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Bye bye.